Welcome, in front of me is a Pixel 10 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, click on the power button right here and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time, like this. And after a moment, this will take us to the boot mode, which should be, there we go, right about now. Now, using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode show up right here, so you can press volume down twice and this should show you recovery mode, and confirm it with the power button. Let's give it a second. It will give us, there we go, this kind of icon right here, so to get past this, we're going to hold the power button, and then while holding it, press the volume up once. And this is our recovery mode. In here, just like before, you can navigate using your volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, going over these options, we have Reboot System Now, takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, just takes us back to the previous page, Enter Fast Boot Mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, though there is no SD card tray, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And these are all the options, so I'm gonna stick with the first one, and like I mentioned, this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.